This is the sound of the LINUS VERTHMAN M1, the first Swiss-made watch of its kind. The sound of award-winning industrial design and precise watchmaking. It's the sound of a game-changing modular system designed to give you an unmatched watch experience. Just click the watch core into its base, put straps on, and go. My name is Konrad, watch lover and co-founder of LINUS VERTHMAN. For the past 3 years we have worked non-stop, developing and designing a watch that makes you excited to wear it. When we started LINUS, we wanted to bring fresh air into the watch industry. The M1 is the result, a unique design language, paired with an innovative mechanism and high-quality components. Starting with the movement, this watch is among the most precise watches out there. Luminous details on the hands make sure that you can tell the time day and night. Both the crown and the Swiss-made labeling are placed off-center to create a distinct and unconventional look. We added 2 styles for the stainless steel case, so the M1 can fit any occasion. The M1 is both scratch and water resistant, so you can move, shower or swim without taking it off. Our M1 collection comes in 4 colorways. Each is a limited edition of 500 pieces, so your watch is truly special. To manufacture the M1, we went to Biel, Switzerland's watch capital. We teamed up with a world-renowned watchmaker with decades of experience building top-level timepieces. Together we've built the M1 system, consisting of 3 components: the core, the base and the straps. All parts are interchangeable and work intuitively to create a new style within seconds. We had a lot of ideas for the M1. Let's have a look. Guaranteed protection, the M1 Sports. This is a hybrid bumper strap, absorbing any shocks. Go beyond classic Swiss watch with the M1 Pocket. This steel base is a fresh take on pocket watches. The future of the M1 starts here and is limited only by imagination. As you can see, we have a big vision for this project, and the prototypes are ready to hit the market. However, launching the M1 requires us to go into serious production, which is why we need you to help us bring this project to life. We work passionately to bring you an innovative and well-designed product at a price point that could not be better for a Swiss watch of that quality. You can be one of the first people in the world to own a limited edition LINUS VERTHMAN M1, the first Swiss-made watch of its kind.